It started up when the kids were young as a way to keep in touch. No matter what was going on, they always gathered the bunch. Up and down the hill they went, fresh footprints in the snow. Somewhere off the beaten path it might have been a glow. So tell me another one, sing me a song, pour me a drink of the same. It's always a time at the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane.
How often are we changing the dressing on the back?
It's been Monday, Thursday, right?
From house to house, from dusk till dawn, the stories they did flow. Jovial laughter and merriment was always the way to go. There's never a shortage of cookies or cake, a bowl of pea soup or some pie, exchanging all the Christmas cards and maybe a bottle of rye. So tell me another one, sing me a song, pour me a drink of the same. It's always a time of the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane. It's always a time of the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane. Now that the kids are all grown up, the tradition moves along. Something they look forward to no matter what's going on. The stories they've been told before, it doesn't really matter. It's more about the company and forgetting the Christmas clatter. So tell me another one, sing me a song.
Oh, wow.
The same. It's always a time of the neighborhood.
Okay, so this.
It's always a time of the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane.
Okay.
Things have changed now through the years, people come and go. The grandkids are more frequent now, if only they did know of all the times and memories going from house to home. Tradition that will never die, no matter where they roam. So tell me another one, sing me a song, pour me a drink of the same. It's always a time at the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane. Tell me another one, sing me a song, pour me a drink of the same. It's always a time at the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane. It's always a time at the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane. It's always a time at the neighborhood rounds down on Newfound Lane.